Hello and welcome to Kommu's Kitchen. Today we will learn how to make a simple and delicious evening snack with bread called bread stir fry. The ingredients are as follows. I've taken around 3 to 4 slices of homemade sourdough bread. You can use any bread. A half a cup of mixed vegetables of my choice. I've taken broccoli, some beans, some yellow beans, some carrots, around 2 chilies, 1 small chopped onion, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, around 15 grams of butter, 1 egg which is optional, and in spices I have taken a mix of cumin powder and garam masala, some chili powder, some turmeric and salt, some pepper, soy sauce, vinegar, green chili sauce, red chili sauce, and some sugar to bring out the distinct taste. For garnish, I have used some spring onions. The mixture, what you see here, is half a teaspoon of green chili sauce, red chili sauce, some vinegar, and dark soy sauce. And also to fry, I have used some canola oil. So let's quickly get into the recipe. For this recipe, let's quickly fry the bread first. I've taken the butter and melting it, and then we throw in some garlic, once the butter has melted and the garlic has caramelized, lowered the flame so that the garlic doesn't burn, and now in goes the bread. It's a stir fry, so we're not going to deep fry. So okay, that's enough. I've just put the flame on sim. I'll transfer all this into a plate. Now the next thing is to fry the vegetables and egg. So first let's heat up the pan a bit again and add some oil. Now once this heats up, let's break the egg and scramble it. Now to this I'm going to add some chili powder, some salt, some garam masala, some turmeric, scramble it, and let's transfer it to another plate. Now let's stir fry the onions. Now I haven't added oil to this because it's a little greasy anyway. And to this I'm going to add a little bit of salt and some chili powder, some turmeric. I'm not adding garam masala to this. Okay, I'm also going to add the 2 green chilies. Now time for the veggies to go in. Okay, now it's time for us to add the sauces. So again, we'll just use it in proportion to what we need. And to bring the distinct taste of the sauces, we also need to sprinkle some sugar. Not much because it's not a sweet dish. Now let's quickly stir them up. Now it's time to put in the egg that we have fried earlier. And to this, I'm adding the bread. I'm going to add some pepper. Time to turn off the flame. Alright, it's now time to garnish it with some spring onions that I've cut. And then give it a good mix. Now you could also sprinkle some lemon juice. Now it's time to taste. I think it needs a little salt. If you're a fan of chaat masala, you can also put in some chaat masala instead of garam masala. Alright, now let's put this onto a plate. I hope you have enjoyed learning this recipe, And in case if you have any questions, please drop in your comments and I'm more than happy to answer them. And if you have liked this recipe, please share it with your friends and also hit the like button. And please do not forget to subscribe to Kommu's Kitchen for more exciting recipes. Happy learning, happy cooking. See you in another session some other time. See you later.